I am Syed Kashf, co-founder Climate Dost. Living in Lahore, I have experienced firsthand how smoke affects our health and living in Pakistan. This inspired us to take urgent action through our Urban Diversity Revival Project.
To address these challenges, we have planted 50,000 native trees in high smog areas across the city to improve air quality and provide much needed green cover. Alongside this, we are also supporting urban diversity with 10,000 bird feeders, creating habitats that support 10 plus new species of urban wildlife and helping Lahore's ecosystem thrive. Our work isn't just about numbers. Recently, a young volunteer shared that planting her first tree felt like she was fighting back against smog and giving back to her city. It's moments like these that remind us our mission goes beyond tree planting. It's about empowering communities to transform their environment. With over 5,000 youth volunteers acting as passionate advocates, we have reached 20,000 community members, raising awareness about the urgent need of urban diversity. Our partnerships with WWF, Milker and Al Khidmat Foundation ensure these green spaces are nurtured, monitored and sustained long term.
Winning the QS Impact Award will help us expand in other cities and encouraging more young people to take action.
Together we create a legacy of green, resilient and healthy cities across Pakistan. Thank you for considering Climate Dost.